Recently, I saw the recipe for homemade cheese crackers and thought, let's give it a try.
Hi friends!
Hi friends! So we gathered all the cheese that we had in our fridge, mostly from December last year, and started working with it. And soon realized that Ala can't use a knife yet. To speed up the process, I gave her a cutter, which didn't change the situation much. I reminded myself that I'm a toddler mom and this little human needs space to figure things out and time to complete small tasks. Here she is, dancing and not doing what I asked her to do. So I gave it in and watched her make slow progress.
One eternity later.
Yes, we're still here cutting the same block of cheese. The next part is for cheese bread lovers. Now the mixing part.
I'm scared mixing.
You're scared mixing?
Mixing.
Oh,
I want to go to the
Mommy will
sofa.
do it, okay?
I want to go to the sofa.
You want to go to the sofa?
I want to go there.
Okay.
I'm so scared.
So I grated the cheese and started my struggle with butter.
Cute.
How does it feel? Is it sticking to your hand?
Yummy.
It's yummy. What about putting it in the mixture with the cheese?
No.
No? Surprisingly, she enjoyed eating the soft butter very much. I stood there for a good 10 to 15 minutes for her to give up on it and put the butter in the mixture. She finally agreed on giving up the butter. However, it was difficult for her to let go of the last bit. Mom did her magic and the dough was ready. There's time in motherhood when you just give it in and let your toddler touch your food, knowing very well that their hands are not clean. And if the food changes color after they touch it, it doesn't bother you.
That was ready.
Little Miss Independent wanted to do everything by herself. It is amazing how quickly they learn. We did the best in rolling out the dough and make it as thin as possible. We cut the dough in squares and made small holes in it. Here's Alice hugging the crackers for advertising purpose. She didn't like them much.